Ah,
We'll start பண்ணவா?
Pan.
Hello to everybody. Welcome all. So, myself Gokul and my teammate Sanjay are here to explain our artificial intelligence project on conversion to class form. So, let's get into the project. Next slide. Problem statement. Here the questions are. Consider the following fact. Team India, Team Australia. Next. Final match between India and Australia. Next. India scored 350 runs. Australia scored 350 runs. India lost 5 wickets and Australia lost 7 wickets. The team which scored the maximum runs wins. If the scores are same, then team which lost minimum wicket wins the match. Represent the fact in predicate, convert to class form, and prove by resolution India wins the match. Next. To represent the facts in predicate logic, let T1 represent Team India and T2 represent Team Australia. M represent final match and S of T, R represent Team T scores runs and L of T, W represent Team T lost wickets. Next. And further will be explained by Sanjay and my teammate.
So the given facts. So we're going to see what are the facts that are given in the question. So T1 and T2 are teams. M is the final match between T1 and T2, and S of T1 comma 350 and 3 S of T2 comma 250, L of T1 comma 5, and L of T2 comma 7. The team with max runs wins the match. So S of T1 comma R and S of T2 comma R and R greater than 350. If scores are same, team with less number of wickets lost wins the match. So S of T1 comma 350 and S of T2 comma 350 and L of T1 comma W and L of T2 comma W2. So now we are going to convert these into clause form. So the first step is S of T1 comma 350 and S of T2 comma 350, then L of T1 comma 5, then L of T2 comma 7. So then not of S T1 comma R or not S T2 comma R or R less than or equal to 350, then not S T1 comma 350 or not S T2 comma 350 or not L T1 comma W1 or not L T2 comma W2 or W1 greater than equal to W2. So the to prove how India wins the match will be explained by Gokul.
So, yeah, now we are in the final stage of our answer. To prove India wins the match. 7. Yes, T1, R. Assumption. From here, we are assuming that Team 1 scores runs and 8-1. Not of yes, T2, R, R is less than 350 from 5. From here, we are assuming that Team 2 scores runs, but it is less than 350. Next, coming to the next point. Not of is T1, 350 or not of is T2, 350 and not of L T1, wicket 1 or not of L T2, wicket 2 or not of L T2, wicket 1. Wicket 1 is more than or equal to wicket 2. We can infer this from point number 6. This says that team 1 doesn't score 350 and team 2 doesn't score 350 and team 1 lose this number of wicket and vice versa team 2 scores this number of wicket and it's saying whether wicket lost by team 1 is more than or equal to wicket lost by team 2. Next, we are coming to 10th point. Not of S T2, 350 or not of L T1, wicket count or not of L T2, wicket 2 or wicket 1 is more than or equal to wicket 2. Then not of L T1, wicket 1 or not of L T2, wicket 2 or wicket 1 is more than or equal to wicket 2. We can resolve this from the further point 7th and 10th point as we assume T1 scores n number of runs, and we assume this number of wickets are lost by team 1 and team 2, and 350 runs are not scored by team 2. Then coming to the 12th point, as a not of as a team 2 lost wicket, which is more than or equal to wicket 1, then from the contradict, we can find that team 2 lost more number of wicket from team 1, which is team 2 is Australia and team 1 is India. Both the teams have scored respectively 350 runs and 350 runs. As the question states that the team which scores highest run wins the match. If both the teams score equal number of runs, the team which lost less number of wicket will win the match. From the contradiction, we can prove that India wins the match. Thank you. This is signing off you from all, Gokul and Sanjay.
Thank you.